is giving away Discord Nitro for free, and obviously I am taking it. First, make an Nvidia account if you don't already have one. Then download the Nvidia app from this site. Also log in and find the redeem section. If you are eligible, you will see the Nitro reward. Click redeem, boom, free Nitro, almost. But now you gotta actually redeem it on Discord. You just follow the redemption link that you'll get and claim the trial on your Discord account. You'll have until September 24th, 2026 to redeem it. There are also some restrictions though. If you had Nitro or a Nitro trial within the last 12 months, you can't get your Nitro. And if you'll get any kind of error, yeah, Discord said the promotion is also not available in certain countries. I'll just keep the name of the countries over here. So basically, Nvidia app, redeem Discord Nitro. If it works, congratulations, you just got 3 months of Nitro for free. If it does not, I never promised anything.